In this video, I am going to show you how to tag everyone in WhatsApp group with two methods. Effective communication is crucial in WhatsApp groups, and tagging everyone in a group ensures that important messages reach all members, whether you're planning on an event, discussing important topics, or sharing updates. Knowing how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group is essential, and here's how to do it. Method 1. Use the @symbol. To tag everyone in a WhatsApp group using the @symbol, follow these steps. 1. Open the WhatsApp group by launching the application and navigating to the desired group. 2. Compose your message within the group chat, typing out the content you want to share. 3. Type the @symbol in the message box to prompt a list of group members. 4. Scroll through the list and start typing everyone to find and select the option that says everyone. 5. Once you've selected everyone, it will appear as a blue hyperlink in your message, indicating that all group members will receive a notification. 6. And finally, review all your messages and tap send. The second method is utilizing the group info option. Open the WhatsApp group and tap on the group name to access the group info. Scroll down and tap the participants options in the view list of group members. Tap the three dots or more options depending on your device located at the top right corner of the screen, and from there, select Tag All or Mention All option. This will automatically tag all members in the group your message would be delivered. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.